Hi again! Welcome back to my summer sewing series. Today, I'm happy to show you how I made this lovely whale family using the instructions and pattern from Tilda's Seaside Ideas book. The book is full of whimsical, sea-inspired projects that feel both nostalgic and fresh. The illustrations are beautiful, and the instructions are simple enough to follow even if you're just sewing for fun. It's just one of those books I come back to every summer just to flip through and get inspired. For this project, I didn't repurpose fabric like I usually do. Instead, I treated myself to some new Tilda fabric, carefully chosen to suit the look I had in mind. The fabrics are soft, high-quality quilting cottons with a mix of nautical and floral prints in lovely shades of blue and white. The whales are filled with 100% polyester polyfill stuffing. To make the crocheted shell accents shown in the book, I chose some cotton yarn in soft pink and coral shades, along with a 3mm crochet hook. You'll find the instructions for making them in a separate section of the book. I also like to use a wooden stick to gently push the stuffing into all the little corners, and especially the tail and nose. It works better than a pencil and gives you more control. For the eyes, I used a tiny dot of black acrylic paint and the tip of the wooden skewer. It gives a soft handmade look, and it's a quick alternative to embroidery or buttons. So now it's time to bring these little whales to life. I leave you to enjoy the making. here they are. Soft, sweet little whales, ready to bring a gentle summer charm to my space. Thanks for spending a quiet moment with me today. Until next time, happy sewing!